Wow, this pond looks really good. What the fuck? Yo, what's up guys? Back again with another video today. Self-filming today. Today we are going to be putting fish in this about 80 gallon pond. You can see we got 4 or 5 blue, yeah, you see them, 4 or 5 blue crayfish in here, and that's it. And I was like, wow, this is kind of pointless, just have this thing going just for some like blue crayfish. We got the pump right there, and today we're gonna be putting in, we got 5 of these guppies. You can see, I'm gonna start acclimating them. I'm gonna acclimate them for a while because they're gonna need it. We got a molly and then 2 more like nice guppies. Put those puppies in there. I got 3 guppies downstairs in the basement and 1 molly. Gonna go grab them, and I will bring them outside and be back in a minute. All right, see you then. Okay, we're down here in the downstairs setup. You can see an overview of it. Little canister filter and some plants and stuff like that. Now you can see I got a bunch of babies and stuff like that. But obviously, the 4 of them that are coming out is the white molly. They're trying to get fed right now, so they're all coming up. And then the 3 guppies. One of them's down there. And as if you can see, let's see if you can get in there. You see that baby, bunch of, all those are all babies too. But obviously the bigger ones need to go. Look, another baby right there. And I was like, I've had all these babies. I produced them all. But no, like I didn't do them on purpose. It just happened. Got a little Cory cat right there. But yep, I got my bag and my net, and I'm gonna show you guys once I scoop them out. Yeah, look at the little babies. There's 2 of them. See, 1, 2. They love the live plants, and that's how they do really good in. That's how they live, so the mom and dad don't eat them. So I will be back in a minute. It was a lot harder than sorry for the wind. It was a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. I still got 1 of the guppies and then the big platinum platy. But yeah, I'm trying to put them in. I will get the other 2 out eventually, but like I was sitting there trying to feed them and take them out, and I stayed there for about 20 minutes. Couldn't get them, so I just gave up. Gonna give these guys about these guys have been in here for a good, like I said, probably like 10-20 minutes. Gonna give those guys at least another 10 minutes. The water is a little cold today. Not a lot of sun out, as you can see. I mean, a lot of shade over here. But yep, gonna give these guys a little bit of time to acclimate, and I will be back when they're good to go. Okay, as you can see, we have our 2 mollies and then our 8 guppies, some just normal ones and a couple of fancy ones. I'm gonna scoop them up with this net and release them all at once, and I'm gonna do it off camera and I'll show you when I release them. Got them all on the net, and in they go. I'm gonna start swimming out. Molly's having a little bit of trouble. All them out of the net. And watch them swim away into the thing. Now, as you can tell, I do not have any plans for this right now. After this, I might show you guys, I might not, but I'm going down to my local lake and definitely going to grab some plants for sure, because I do hope that they will breed and we have a bunch of more babies. So that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.